Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying all my videos and watching them at your home. Are you watching my videos? Do watch them. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In the last class, we have learned a rhyme about number 9. Do you remember it? Okay, so in this class, we will learn a new rhyme and that is very easy and beautiful rhyme about Johnny. Johnny is a very naughty boy. So who is naughty boy among you? I can see some naughty boys. Okay, so like this, Johnny is also a very naughty boy. So let's learn what Johnny wants to say. Okay, so in this picture you can see a father. He is a father. And who is he? He is Johnny, the naughty boy. Okay, he is Johnny and he is a father. So let's start the rhyme. Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Okay, so let me explain you. What happened in this rhyme is, father is asking Johnny that, Johnny, and then Johnny says, yes, Papa, what happened? Then he asked, are you eating sugar? Eating sugar? He said, no, Papa. Like he is scolding Johnny because Johnny has eaten so many sugars, okay? Like your father also scolds you when you eat something bad. Does they scold you? Okay, because you should not eat something bad. We should eat only good food, okay? So Johnny has eaten so many sugar, okay? And sugar is sweet. So he's asking Johnny that eating sugar. But he said, no, Papa. Then he said, something is wrong. Then he said, telling lies. आप झूठ बोल रहे हो ना? जब आप झूठ बोलते हो, then your parents sense it that आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. So we should never lie to them, okay? We should not lie to our parents. So he said, no, Papa. Then he asked to open his mouth. वो बोलते हैं अपना mouth open कीजिए. Open your mouth and then he said, ha, ha, ha. Okay, that's a funny rhyme, isn't it? Okay, now let's once again sing the rhyme and everyone will sing with me. Let's start. Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling a lie, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Very nice, everyone. Clap for yourselves. Well done. Now you will practice this rhyme at your home. Okay? Now I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.